One powerhouse says Dogelon Mars is going to go illustrative. Altcoin values might drop because of diminished liquidity from quantitative fixing. Despite the fact that Elon Musk isn't associated with ELON, its symbolic cost can see enormous cost spikes when Musk stands out as truly newsworthy. For instance, when Musk made his arrangement to purchase Twitter last month, the coin momentarily took off on the news just to pull back. This peculiarity is a web-based entertainment furor in real life. This Dogelon Mars value forecast will assist you with pursuing shrewd crypto decisions to add to your portfolio, not through furious reaction. How much is ELON worth? The present Dogelon Mars cost is $2.10 E7 US dollars with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $101,849,772. Dogelon Mars is down 5.92% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 192, with a live market cap of $101,849,772 US dollars. It has a flowing stockpile of 549,652,770,159,583 ELON coins and a maximum supply of 1,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 ELON coins. Dogelon Mars unsurpassed high is $0. ELON arrived at this ATH on the 30th of October 2021. The absolute stockpile of Dogelon Mars is 548 trillion, from its beginning all-out supply of 1 quadrillion. Regardless of whether it appreciates, given the high volume of Dogelon Mars, it would be impossible to reach 1 cent. However, who can say for sure? We should perceive how the tables have turned for Dogelon Mars since the takeover of Twitter by Elon Musk. Dogelon Mars cost examination. Bears pull back ELON to $0. Bulls anticipate the following convention TLDR. Separate Dogelon Mars cost investigation shows a negative pattern. Bears defeat the bulls as selling tension builds. The opposition level is available at $0. Dogelon Mars cost examination for 8th June proposes that the bears keep a high ground on the lookout, as they have pulled back ELON to $0. ELON's cost is somewhere around more than 5.01%. with really selling tension building as the day advances. The help level for ELON is at $0. In the event that the bears can break this level, a further cost decline is normal. Then again, on the off chance that bulls can conquer the selling tension and push the cost of ELON above $0, an upturn can be anticipated without further ado. ELON one-day cost outline. Selling pressure pushes ELON down to $0. One-day cost diagram shows Dogelon Mars values are going negative after slight follows from the bullish side in the beyond couple of days. The present pattern is negative, as the cost is progressively diminishing and has gone as far as $0. The unpredictability of the money is at a record-breaking high, which should be visible from the diagram. Bulls and bears have been alternating and making the cost go all over. The Chaikin cash stream has been beneath the zero line at 0.07, connoting that cash is streaming out of the market. This recommends that dealers expect a negative pattern not long from now and offer off their property to take benefits or limit misfortunes. The general strength record also shows negativity, with its worth at 32.52, just beneath the midline. The 20 MA likewise focuses downwards and has crossed beneath the 50 MA, further meaning a negative pattern. The MACD line has likewise crossed beneath the sign line at 0.0001, demonstrating that bears control the market. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2023. The Dogelon Mars Cost Gauge for 2023 evaluations. The cost could arrive at least cost of $0 and normal of $0, with a greatest cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2024. Our Dogelon Mars Cost Expectation for 2024 recommends the cost of ELON could arrive at least $0, a normal of $0, and a limit of $0 the finish of 2024. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. Our Dogelon Mars Cost Estimate 2025 proposes that the ELON cost will arrive at least $0, a typical gauge cost of $0, and a greatest cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2026. Out of 2026, the Dogelon Mars ELON cost forecast gauge is a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. ELON coin is assessed to arrive at a greatest cost of $0 through this period. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. Of every 2027, the Dogelon Mars Cost Estimate proposes the cost of Dogelon Mars could arrive at the very least cost of $0, a typical figure cost of $0, and a greatest cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2028. As per Dogelon Mars Cost Forecast for 2028, the cost of Dogelon Mars is anticipated to arrive at the very least worth of $0. 2028. The Dogelon Mars cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2028. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2029. Our Dogelon Mars cost expectation for 2029 recommends the cost of ELON could arrive at least $0, a normal of $0, and a limit of $0 the finish of 2029. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2030. Our Dogelon Mars Cost Estimate 2030 recommends that the ELON cost will arrive at least $0, a typical gauge cost of $0, and a most extreme cost of $0 through this period. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2031 of every 2031. The Dogelon Mars ELON cost forecast gauges a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. ELON coin is assessed to arrive at a most extreme cost of $0 through this period. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2032 of every 2032. The Dogelon Mars Cost Estimate proposes the cost of Dogelon Mars could arrive at the very least cost of $0, a typical gauge cost of $0, and a greatest cost of $0. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon Mars is alluded to as the interplanetary cash. It keeps on being one of the image coins with loads of potential in regards to cost. Dogelon Mars has kept up with its soundness in spite of the cryptographic money market's unpredictability, and its cost is supposed to increment in 2022 and then some. The image coin has ridden a flood of notoriety via web-based entertainment and could arrive at USD 0.010 soon. It is vital for realize that Dogelon Mars is a nearly new image coin, a fork of Dogecoin. Moreover, there is a particular person behind each image coin, so for Dogelon, it is a space apparatus wearing canine. Besides, Dogelon was named after Mars, which is articulated as canine elon. Dogelon Mars is viewed as a local area-driven digital money, guaranteeing it will improve continually. On the Dogelon Mars site, an animation canine in a spacesuit is climbing, addressing that Dogelon Mars will encounter a huge vertical development. Elon is the authority badge of Dogelon Mars. In any case, Elon is an ERC-20 computerized resource in view of the Ethereum blockchain, sent off in April 2021. The token was named after Elon Musk, a firm devotee to digital currencies. Past its tomfoolery name, Dogelon Mars has a determinedly powerful local area behind it. Today, it has in excess of 300,000 Twitter supporters and in excess of 84,000 devotees on Wire. Since it is a fair general cryptographic money, there was no presale of the elon coins. Notwithstanding, 10 trillion coins have been made subsequent to sending half to Vitalik Buterin. Buterin gave his commitment to good cause and the coronavirus help asset. The accompanying half of ELON tokens have been secured in the Uniswap liquidity pool as Elon and ETH matches. Is Dogelon Mars a wise venture? Indeed, it is a wise venture in light of the cost expectations. Be that as it may, its future is bullish. The development of Elon exclusively depends on how positive the market is. Before you take a section on Elon, kindly glance at the cost diagram, think about the pattern, and do your exploration in particular. In the event that you can track down appropriate access, then, at that point, take as much time as is needed to get monetary guidance from specialists. And this Dogelon Mars people group has been